Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video about a DIY storage cabinet. We mostly people do live in a medium or small size houses where we don't have enough storage. So I never think about this, but when I did, I'm really happy. This is actually my base kitchen cabinet and I use it for my storage cabinet for the daily use stuff or the small stuff which we can easily fit here. So and this is, by the way, it's most of the stuff is free couponing stuff, and I distribute into two zones. So all of my household supply which we use every day, the laundry supplies and the detergent, which they can easily fit here. So you can designate it one or two cabinet in your house or in your kitchen for your kitchen stuff. If you don't have enough cabinets, that's fine, you can build your own, or you can go I did see a very nice cabinet sometimes Home Depot, Rona, and Lowe's. They have a really nice kitchen cabinets sale. It's mostly once in a year, most of the time when the summer come. So it's like a truckload sale, and it just cost most of the time like $100 to $200. So, and I think it's worth it if you can hide your stuff in there. You can use any corner of your home to have this cabinet and put a little countertop on the top of that, and your cabinet is ready. So if you like my video about this idea to use a kitchen cabinet as a storage for your household supplies, give me a comment if you like this. If you don't like this, if you have any other idea, please share with me, and happy to see into my next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel if you do. Thank you. Bye bye.